fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 30th day of June. Saying so long to the first month of summer on a morning that feels more like fall out. Boy, it's nice. James Spann here. We're in this dry air mass. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. And yeah, that's nice. That's the view there coming from Clanton. Temperatures are down in the low 60s in many areas. And by golly, we do have some 50s. The coolest spot I can find early this morning coming from our Skywatcher Vic Bell up in northeast Etowah County in the small community of Scrougeout. He's got 56 degrees. Boy, that's nice. There's the view coming from Mount Cheaha. Wouldn't mind being up there this morning. Brian Peters, in fact, is up there of our staff. He's enjoying a great stretch of cool summer weather. He was on Weather Brains last night. The new episode is posted. And from downtown Jasper, looking good. That's the view there from the King Building at 5 o'clock. Look at that big upper low that pretty much covers the northeast United States. And, of course, the really super-duper hot weather is pushed back over the southwest. And there's a look at temperatures around the nation this morning. A lot of 50s up on the northern states, a few 40s up on the Canadian border. In our numbers, look at those 61s for Anniston, Gadsden, and Alexander City. And again, of course, the cooler valleys in through there are indeed in the mid to upper 50s. And today will be a lot like yesterday. We'll be up there in the low 90s today, but the humidity will be very low with dew points only in the 50s. In terms of convection today, 3 hot spots, if you will, one over the northeast, one on the lee of the northern Rockies, and one over northwest Arkansas. But around here will be dry as a bone. And the rain for the next 5 days, this is through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Suggesting only a tenth of an inch here. I think we'll see more than that. I think we'll see a definite increase in scattered showers and storms by Saturday and especially Sunday, just after this period. And heavier rains continue over the Florida Peninsula with the old stall front down there. In fact, let's look at the tropical satellite image of the Gulf. It's clear right now except for the convective clusters near that old front just off the Gulf Coast. And again, we'll keep an eye on that thing for any sign of tropical development. I'd say it's pretty unlikely with being so close to land, but sometimes those things can produce issues down there. Look at the modeling. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. Upper low over the east, upper ridge over the west. And we'll take that. Beautiful day. Sunny. And again, the humidity very low today, but we will be up in the low 90s. This dry air heats and cools very effectively. Tomorrow we stay dry. Now, Thursday, northwest flow aloft. We got a vortex coming down in that flow. And again, there's some evidence of an MCS over Missouri. And you know what that's going to do? Roll right down in here Wednesday or Thursday evening, if that's correct. If that's correct. That's a big if. We all know the models don't do well with convective systems days in advance, but we'll throw in the chance of a storm Thursday afternoon. Pretty much the same deal on Friday. The moisture begins to come back. So maybe a storm in spots, but certainly nothing widespread. Now, for the weekend, we think the rain coverage will be going up. This is Saturday, the 4th of July. You can see a pretty moist air mass in place, and it's not going to rain all weekend, but we'll see a few showers and storms around. Same thing on Sunday. In fact, maybe some pretty decent rain amounts if that's right. And the model is backing the highs down into the upper 80s because of the clouds and showers. And Monday of next week, we've got a fairly fresh upper flow there at 500 millibars. You can see at 35, 40 knots. And down below that, the model all of a sudden is suggesting a surface boundary pushes all the way down to Dothan and Jackson and Andalusia. And we get in dry air Monday. Now, I know that we're in dry air now, but fronts, quite frankly, don't make it through here that often, and we're not buying that yet. We're going to leave a chance of showers and storms in there. And there's Tuesday, the front dissipates if it's around. So we're thinking we'll see a pretty decent chance of showers and storms Saturday, Sunday, and probably into early next week as well. We'll jump out there to the end of the forecast, the 15th of July. The westerlies are mainly in Canada, but there is a trough over the east, 594 circle over the Texas Panhandle, and Again, that looks pretty typical there for mid-July. And the good news, no sign of any super-duper intense, long-lasting extreme heat wave. And that's good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.